Produce a tutorial on mastering dark mode design aesthetics and creating sophisticated gradient overlays for modern user interface design. Teach color selection for dark mode that maintains accessibility while creating premium aesthetics. Demonstrate creating gradient overlays that enhance imagery while remaining readable. Cover techniques for creating depth and dimension in dark interfaces. Teach layering gradients for complex color transitions. Include methods for creating dark mode variations of light designs. Demonstrate how dark mode affects color perception and contrast. This tutorial targets UI/UX designers, app developers, and digital product designers.